In this video, we will refer to the localization tool available within Infinity. So let me tell you about it. So if you go under File, Help and Support, so you'll notice that actually there's a list of tutorials available here, which you can download. So let's say you want to understand how to process the traverse. This will open the localization tool for you. And also in the background is directed to the Infinity YouTube channel with loads of information and how to guides. Here you'll pick a location to save your data set and tutorial. So I'm gonna go here with an Infinity training. If you hit start to this, it will download in real time the data set and the PDF guide on how to process the traverse. Okay, after it's been downloaded, you have access to this guide, two-way guide that will take you essentially step by step using the data contained in the folder where you downloaded this data set and this PDF, explaining you how to. Also, under the localization tool, you'll find access to essentially every available official coordinate system on the planet that we can supply with Infinity. So you just select it and you can download it. So you can find here on the global, for example, all of the UTM ones, including the global joint models and some. So I'm from Portugal, so you also find the Portuguese ones here, the official ones, and in the UK you'll find Great Britain, OSGP 15, the O2 realization, also the HS2 snake grid coordinate system. Everything can be downloaded easily into Infinity. Just hit start, they will get downloaded, and then it's available for you to use in your projects. So hopefully you liked it. See you soon.